Home repairs are a great way for homeowners to save money and build their do-it-yourself skills. However, some home repairs can be dangerous if not done correctly. This video will explain when a home repair goes from a simple DIY project to a job for a structural engineer. We'll discuss common warning signs that indicate you need to call a structural engineer. Also, we'll cover common home repairs that need a structural engineer. And finally, we'll explain the benefits of hiring a structural engineer for your home repair project. So stay tuned. When a home repair requires a structural engineer, it's important to know the warning signs. A few common ones are cracks in walls or foundations, uneven floors or sagging ceilings, and water damage or leaks. Let's take a closer look at each of these. Cracks in walls or foundations. If you notice cracks in your home's walls or foundation, it's time to call a structural engineer. These cracks could mean that the soil under your house is shifting, that the foundation is settling, or that there's been structural damage to your home. Depending on the cause of the cracks, the repair could be as simple as fixing the siding or as complex as underpinning the foundation. A structural engineer will be able to diagnose the issue and recommend the best course of action: uneven floors or sagging ceilings. If you notice that the floors or ceilings in your home are uneven, it could be a sign that the structure is unstable. This could be caused by overloading, foundation issues, or improper framing. Sagging ceilings or floors can also indicate that there's water damage or leaks in the home, which can cause wood to rot and weaken the structure. Again, a structural engineer will be able to assess the situation and determine the best way to fix it. Water damage or leaks. As we mentioned earlier, water damage can cause wood to rot and can weaken the structure of your home. If you have a leaky pipe, a faulty roof, or any other source of water damage, it's important to get it fixed as soon as possible. A structural engineer can assess the damage and recommend the best course of action for repairs or reinforcement. Common home repairs that require a structural engineer. Now that you know the warning signs to look out for, let's go over some common home repairs that require a structural engineer. Foundation repairs. The foundation is the most important part of any structure. If the foundation is not properly installed or maintained, it can lead to serious problems down the road. Some common foundation problems include cracks, settling, and soil movement. A structural engineer can help you identify the cause of the problem and the best way to fix it. Framing repairs. The framing of your home is what gives it its shape and stability. If the framing is damaged, it could cause the whole structure to become unstable. This could happen due to water damage, pests, or simply wear and tear. A structural engineer can help you repair or reinforce the framing of your home as needed. Roof repairs. The roof of your home protects you from the elements and keeps your home safe from water damage. If the roof is not properly installed or maintained, it could lead to leaks and other problems. A structural engineer can help you identify any issues with your roof and develop a plan to repair or replace it. Benefits of consulting a structural engineer. Now that you know the warning signs and common repairs that need a structural engineer, let's go over the benefits of consulting one. Expert analysis and diagnosis. Structural engineers are trained to identify the root cause of a problem. They have the experience and knowledge to accurately analyze and diagnose any issues with your home structure. Comprehensive solutions. Once they've identified the problem, structural engineers can develop a comprehensive solution to fix it. Lines create detailed plans for the repair or reinforcement of your home structure and can also help you find contractors to do the work. Peace of mind. Perhaps the most important benefit of consulting a structural engineer is the peace of mind that comes with knowing that your home is safe. A qualified professional has assessed the structure and determined that it's sound. Any issues that were identified have been addressed and the necessary repairs or reinforcements have been made. Finding a qualified structural engineer. If you're in need of a structural engineer, there are several resources available to help you find one. You can start by searching online directories for structural engineers in your area. Professional associations also maintain directories of their members on their websites. And finally, you can ask friends, family, or other professionals in the construction industry for recommendations. Once you've compiled a list of potential engineers, be sure to get multiple quotes and compare their expertise, experience, and pricing. The best way to protect your home and family is to consult a structural engineer when needed. By following the tips above, you can easily find a qualified professional who can help you with your home repair project. Don't wait until a small problem becomes a big headache. Contact a structural engineer today to ensure that your home is safe and sound. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.